looks to be a male, a little heavier set. He's wearing binoculars and he's shining really red and bright now.
Put your hands behind your back.
Oh, wait.
No, put your hands behind your back. Get on your knees.
Please.
Put your...
Please.
Do it now.
What
Put your hands behind your back and you're going to get tased.
No, it's okay.
On August 5th, around 2 a.m., Marion County Police Department were responding to a man allegedly pointing a laser at a police helicopter. Deputies on the ground respond to this call and find Adam Santiago.
I think that's you guys.
Yep. Put your hands behind your back.
Oh, wait.
No,
Wait.
stop.
I'm sorry.
Put your hands behind your back or you're going to get tased.
I didn't know.
Put your hands behind your back. Get on your knees.
Please.
Put your...
Please. I just want...
Put your hands behind your back. Do it now. Put your hands behind your back and you're going to get tased.
No, it's okay.
Then put your hands behind your back. Do it now.
What did I do?
Do it now.
What did I do wrong? I'm sorry, sir. Please, sir, I'm sorry.
Yep.
I didn't know it was you guys.
Well,
I'm sorry. What did I do? Did I do something bad?
yep.
Well,
Stand up.
you guys are looking for somebody or something?
10:15.
What's that? I'm sorry, sir. I don't even have my wallet. Can I get it?
Nope.
What did I do?
I'll explain it to you in a minute.
Okay, I'm sorry. I just was looking at the stars really, and I saw you guys.
Yep.
And I did something foolish. I couldn't really see you. I'm sorry. Simply, please give me a break. I've never been in trouble ever.
Okay. Well, you did today.
I'm sorry.
Spread your feet.
Please.
Spread your feet.
I'm doing.
Anything that's going to poke me, stick me, harm me.
I'm sorry. This is a first lesson. I'm sorry.
5980 there, one of them, 10:15.
I'm sorry, please. Just give me a break.
10:15.
I promise you. I know do it again. Please, sir. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, officer. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Please give me a
Have a
break,
seat.
please.
Have a seat.
Please. Officer,
Slide in.
I've never been in trouble, please.
5980
Help
there,
me out. I didn't
110.
even have...
I wasn't able to get the house number if you want to grab that.
As what he had in his hand. Air one on 1061 of the Lazer. All right, what's your first name?
Why are you arresting me for, sir?
I'm gonna explain everything to you in a minute. What is your first name?
Adam.
Adam.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
A-D-A-M?
Yes, sir.
What is your middle name?
I ain't got none.
You don't have a middle name. What's your last name?
Santiago.
S-A-N?
Yeah.
T-I-A-G-O? How old are you?
I'm 41.
Thank you.
I'm sorry, sir. Please.
All right. What's your phone number?
36.
Someone read your rights, all right? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him present while you're being questioned. If you can't afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed before one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. You understand each of these rights that I've explained to you today, sir? Okay. English is your primary language?
Well, it is now.
But you understand English?
Yeah, it's not Puerto Rican.
Okay, but you understand English without any need for translation. Okay. I have somebody that can translate if you prefer Spanish. Okay, so you understand English. Okay. What would give you the idea to flash a laser at an aircraft?
I was just really bored. Like, my wife went to base for the weekend. She's Air Force, and we hung up. I was like,
10,000 blocks of North Highway 441, Texas 28.
I saw the copter, and I didn't know it was a copter.
Okay.
And
you understand that it's against the law to do that to any helicopter?
Really know.
Okay, well, you know now. So,
if you give me a chance,
yeah, you're under arrest.
please.
You almost caused our helicopter to crash.
I did.
You're under arrest.
I'm sorry,
Yeah.
please. I'm sorry, please.
Is that what you would have told them if they would have crashed?
No, you just didn't know. I thought it wouldn't even reach it. I didn't. You know, because it's a cheap. It's a cheap.
I understand.
Timu laser.
Well, that cheap Timu laser costs you a lot of money to do.
Please,
So,
sir.
unfortunately, ignorance of the law, not knowing the law, doesn't make it
I
okay.
ain't got my phone or my wallet or anything.
Okay. Well, I apologize for that, but you made these decisions.
What was gonna happen?
So you're going to go to the Marion County Jail. You're going to be booked in. I have to look up how much the bond is on that, and then you'll be able to bond out. And then you'll have a court date to explain your actions in front of a judge. There's no.
My girlfriend's gonna kill me.
Okay. Well, she probably should. She probably should be pretty upset because, especially with her being in the Air Force,
Yeah,
I would be pretty. I would be pretty sure she would be pretty upset if somebody flashed a laser at her and caused her plane to crash or her copter to crash. Watch it. There's no break.
So I'm gonna lose my job. I'm gonna lose my house. Please give me a break. Please, sir. I'm sorry. It was dumb. It was just I didn't know I was breaking the law or anything. I truly didn't know. I thought that the copter would just go away.
Here's the thing, man. Not only did you do that, you also weren't following my commands.
Oh well, I just didn't know.
Pull a taser on you? Come on.
No, I just.
Okay. When I tell you to put your hands behind your back, what does that mean?
I was just
What
hoping
does that mean when I tell you to put your hands behind your back?
I was just hoping that you would give me a chance.
But that's not your time to ask.
I know that,
when
but
I tell you
I'm
to put
sorry.
your hands behind your back, that was a lawful order.
I know. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It's just that I thought that you would just give me a break. 'Cause I actually saw that the copter was gonna just fly away. And
Again, you made two mistakes tonight.
I'm sorry, sir.
Yep.
I'm just really sorry. I'm gonna lose my job. I'm gonna lose my house.
That you made. I didn't make those.
Please, sir. It was just dumb. It was a dumb mistake. I didn't even know that the laser would reach it. You know what I'm saying? Like I thought that it would, because it's just a cheap thing.
Okay. All right, Mr. Santiago, step out. Do you have anything else illegal on you? That if you bring it into the jail, it's a felony if you bring anything inside the jail. You don't have anything hidden in it? Okay, let's go. We're gonna walk this way.
Please.
The only place we're walking is into your new home.
Please, sir.
Yeah, watch your step.
Please, Lord, I can't believe it. It's being silly. I want to look for it.
Well, silly sometimes costs you.
Adam went on to be charged with a felony offense of pointing a laser light at a pilot, and resisting arrest without violence in his sentencing is unconfirmed.